So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the income statement of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is just search for a stock or an ETF of your choosing. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and type in ticker symbol TSLA for Tesla. So once I'm on Tesla's page, and if I, for example, wanted to look at the income statement, just scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see income statement right here. So under financials, there's the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow. Just go ahead and press on the drop down right here to view the income statement. So while you're here, you can actually view the quarterly or annually reports. So you can see the revenue, the operating expenses, the net income, the net profit margin, the earnings per share, the EBITDA, the effective tax rate, etc. And as I mentioned before, that's for quarterly as well as annually. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the income statement of a stock or a company on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.